Hey makeup artists, welcome to MakeupClasses.com. I'm Dawn and today is Makeup Tip Monday, number 42. Shop for sale items when building your professional makeup kit. Makeup artists, you're embarking on a very expensive career. Unlike a hairstylist who buys a curling iron or a flat iron blow dryer that lasts 10 to 20 years, a makeup artist constantly replenishes and replaces things in their professional kit. So you want to be dollar wise when it comes to building your makeup kit. When you're shopping sale items, one of the things that you need to look for, just to be careful, are the expiration dates. So sometimes you'll shop a sales rack, but notice that the items are expired. Basically, they're unusable, so don't purchase them. The nice thing about shopping sales items, it allows you to build your kit little by little. So when you're shopping, perhaps you'll have your makeup kit inventory list and you'll be able to check off the items that you actually need. That is so important, makeup artists, that you're replenishing products or buying new products that you will actually use and need in your kit. That's how you save money. You're building your kit little by little. Remember, your makeup artistry kit is an investment. You're investing in your career and in yourself. It's part of your professional and personal development. So shop those sales items, build that kit little by little, and soon you'll see that you'll have an amazing kit built up on a budget. Well guys, I hope today's Makeup Tip Monday helps. Remember to shop those items, build that kit little by little, and you will have a successful makeup artistry career. I'll see you next week here at MakeupClasses.com for another Makeup Tip Monday. Bye everyone. Well guys, I hope today's jet flies over quicker and bus. All we need is a siren to complete the day. Or train, yes.